the region is stronger together. It's a simple proposition. The region is stronger together. And in the bilaterals I've had, in the discussions I've had in my previous visits and in the dialogue today, leaders talked about the challenges the region faces. Climate change, COVID and the recovery from COVID, both of which have fallen harder on this region than on many other parts of the world. And of course strategic competition. And all the nations of this region are seeking to navigate those challenges. All the nations are seeking to navigate those challenges. And we do it best when we can do it together. And that's the approach Australia's taken. That's the approach the Pacific Island Forum is taking, and that is why Pacific Forum unity is so important. Now, as you know, there have been a lot of discussions about Pacific Island Forum unity. And the position the Australian government has consistently taken is we were seeking to support whatever the consensus could deliver, because the most important thing was to ensure that at this time, in a contested world, in a world confronting climate, COVID and the economic recovery from COVID, that the Forum remained united. So I do want to commend Prime Minister Bainimarama and the government of Fiji and leaders from the Micronesian states for their work to try and bring the Forum back together.